Hey, all my techie people. Do you love tech and especially how it's been integrated into our homes? Well, you are not alone. So whether it's turning on your lights from your phone, or you're getting alerts when someone's at your door, or you're saving energy automatically, smart homes are changing the way we live. But what really makes a home smart, and is it worth it? So in this video, we're going to explain everything in simple terms, from how smart homes work to what buyers and sellers need to know in today's tech-driven market. I'm Kelly Domaille, co-owner of Domaille Real Estate here with eXp Realty in Rochester, Minnesota. So let's dive into the world of smart homes. What are they? How do they help? And why do they matter when you're buying or selling? So what is a smart home? A smart home uses internet-connected devices that help manage things like lights, locks, thermostats, and even your appliances. And you can control it with your smartphone, or a voice activation, or even automatically with timers or sensors. So what are some examples of these devices? There's smart thermostats, which adjust temperatures automatically. That obviously saves you energy. There's smart doorbells. They show you who's at the front door even when you're not home. There are smart locks, which lets friends or kids in with your phone instead of a key. There are smart lights, so you can turn on or off your lights while you're in bed or at a remote location. There's also smart refrigerators, which tell you what groceries to need, okay? So there are four main smart home categories. The first one is comfort and convenience. You can adjust the heat or the AC before you even get home or at night when you go to sleep. You could schedule lights to turn on at sunset. The next category is energy management. So things like smart plugs or those thermostats and energy tracking tools that are going to help you lower your energy bill. For example, the smart thermostat, which reduces heating costs by up to 10% every year. The next category is safety and security. So there's cameras, those smart locks, and door sensors, which are going to protect your home 24/7. You're going to get alerts on your phone if something seems wrong. The last one is entertainment and lifestyle. So you could play music from every room with just a voice command. You could stream your favorite shows using voice search or phone app. So how do smart homes work? Devices are going to use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to connect to some kind of a central hub, so like Alexa or Google Home. You use a smartphone, app, or voice command to control those devices. Now, some homes have everything connected to one system, and others may mix and match those devices. Now, the benefits of smart homes: they save you money, number one, because you get to lower energy bills with smart thermostats and lights. Saving time is number two. Forget to turn those lights off? Well, you don't have to drive back home. You can just use your phone to turn it off. Better security is number three. You know when a door gets opened or when someone's standing outside your front door. Number four, it's great for resale. Many buyers nowadays are expecting some sort of smart feature in a home. And five, this helps seniors or people with disabilities because it just makes living at home easier and safer. Now, what should buyers know about smart homes? Always ask when you're making an offer which smart home devices are going to stay with the house and which ones will be removed. And make sure that those devices are reset and disconnected from the cloud before you move in. You should also ask for all of the app information, any warranties or manuals that go with it, and check if there's a subscription because, for instance, some security systems charge monthly. And know if the home has strong Wi-Fi because smart tech is only as good as the internet that you have. Now, what should sellers know about smart homes? Well, highlight the smart features that you have in your home in your listing. Leave any manuals and device info for the next owner, and reset your devices, clear out your personal info, disconnect from the cloud, okay? And then a staging tip: show off your smart lighting or any of your smart features that you have during showings or open houses. Now, privacy and security can be a concern. So just like any device connected to the internet, smart tech can be hacked. So tips to stay safe: number one, use a strong password, turn on a two-factor authentication, and regularly update your devices. You should always be checking privacy settings and know what data each device collects. Now, do smart homes add value? Absolutely, that is a resounding yes, especially to millennials, Gen Z, and those tech-savvy buyers. There was a survey done by Coldwell Banker that showed 81% of buyers would choose a smart home over a traditional one with the same price, with smart security features and thermostats as the top requested features. So what are some of the trends in 2025? The smart home market is expected to reach over $205 billion globally by 2026. And in the United States, 70% of the households will have at least one smart home device. Even real estate agents are getting in the game because we're now using smart staging, which allows us to show off the tech during showings to boost interest. So here are a few of the popular smart home systems for 2025. Amazon Alexa works with tons of devices. Google Nest, that's great for thermostats, cameras, and integration of the two. Apple HomeKit, this is great for privacy and security. The Ring, which we've heard of, very popular for doorbells and home monitoring. And then there's Samsung SmartThings. Hard to say, but it connects all kinds of devices into one app. So smart homes in the big picture for real estate, buyers want convenience, they want security, and they want energy savings. Sellers, you can stand out by advertising all of your smart features. And agents, you need to understand the tech so that you can advise your clients wisely. Now, here are some simple tips for getting smart features added to your home. Start with something small, like a thermostat or a video doorbell. You could even use a smart plug so that you could test turning on or off appliances remotely. Then you can add devices slowly and choose the ones that work together. But you guys have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is strong because, again, the tech is only as good as the signal. So if you'd like to know more about smart home technology, how it works, or how it can help you sell or buy your home, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all of our socials, hit the like button, and of course, throw any questions or comments down below. We'll be happy to answer all of those. Again, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.